alhamdulilayi rabbil alamin ẹni mi ṣọlá fi àlẹ wá gẹ́gẹ́ bí èmi upon by two ṣe wà lẹ́ni fídíò tí mo drop yẹn àtẹ̀yí tí mo drop nísìn ó ṣe kókó kí n tó tẹ̀síwájú ọkọ àti ìyàwó topic mi. This is your first time mo máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ àti ìyàwó ni. Ẹ máa gbọ́ voice kan nísàlẹ̀ mi ní ọ̀rọ̀ fẹ́ láti show face. Ẹ máa gbọ́ voice. Depression due to ọkọ ni.
She see me o.
Depression due to ọkọ. Depression ló yí di sí mental. Depression ló yí di sí mental voice ni ẹ máa gbọ́. Ìdí tí mo fi ṣe fídíò tí mo ṣe láìpẹ́ nìyẹn ẹ lọ wò ó ní patriarchs lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ti former wife ẹ̀. Èmi ẹ̀dáde dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti nídìí.
She's conscious of what is happening around her.
She's
running mad, she's running mental, but at the same time, aware of what is happening. But she cannot control what she's saying. And do you know what it is? She's getting worse every day. She's getting worse.
Tí kankan bá ń dààmú ẹ lọ́kàn ẹ máa rí fún àwọn tó bá ní òye ìdí fídíò ẹ̀kan yẹn nìyẹn. Ẹ máa gbọ́ voice tàbí tí ń gbọ́ nísàlẹ̀ voice èèyàn kan tó ní very humble woman very ó gentle
okay
ó gentle pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run bá mi wò sàn inshallah. Lórí ti tèní ó ní cancer versus chemotherapy èwo ló ń pààyàn jù nínú wọn ṣé cancer yẹn gangan ni àbí treatment tá à ń pè ní chemo yìí àbí radiation àbí kí ni wọ́n pè mí ò mọ̀ àmọ́ èmi ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ láti sọ fún yín pé èyí tóbìnrin yìí sọ mo fòun tẹ̀tẹ́ mo testify pé lóòótọ́ ni ẹ rí fídíò yẹn lẹ́yìn nítorí pé kí ni ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí èèyàn tó close mi dáadáa èèyàn tó close mi ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kọ́lọ́n bá mi tẹ̀ sáfẹ́fẹ́ rere gbogbo nǹkan tó fi sílẹ̀ àtàwọn ọmọ kọ́lọ́n bá mi ṣe dáadáa fún wọn kí ọ̀tá mọ́ fọwọ́ bàjẹ́ kan ó ní ọmú ń dùn ni o ló bá lọ sí hospital after dose chemotherapy ní gbogbo ẹ̀ bá dajúrú o ní gbogbo ẹ̀ bá rupture wá o kò mọ̀ rupture tẹ́lẹ̀ ó mọ̀ ló kàn ń dùn ni ló bá rupture dé o òkú rẹ̀ lágbé kú o kò lò 2 months lọ́spítà ẹ jẹ́ fi yín kalẹ̀ láti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ obìnrin yìí tí nǹkan bá ń gbóná riri ẹ mọ̀ wá riri ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe sùúrù bóyá tá bá ní sùúrù díẹ̀ tá jẹun organics tá jẹ natural tiwantiwa ó ṣeé ṣe kí ẹ̀mí wa tún gùn díẹ̀ sí kọ̀rọ̀ ayé yájú kọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀run lọ. Ẹ máa gbọ́ fídíò yìí. This is on point by two using my words to help others. Bye for now. Ẹ listen sí fídíò yẹn.
Please, we need prayer. And one thing I will tell you about cancer is that cancer is not the one killing people, but chemo and radiation is killing people. They are the killer. There are a lot of organic way cancer can be treated that is even stronger than chemo, but it will not kill you. The moment they diagnose you that you have breast cancer or any form of cancer, women most especially, don't go for chemo. Don't let anybody use you for experiments. Please don't allow them to give you chemo. Tell them you are not their victim. Tell them they cannot use you for experiments. Because 2016, doctor told Aisha not to take chemo. But nǹkan tó máa ṣe ó ti dúró. And she went back to Nigeria to go and take chemo. Don't take chemo. Chemo is a killer. The way the doctor analyzed that something called chemo. To us, chemo, the moment you take it, is going to deaden all your cells. It will deaden all the cells in the body. Chemo is boldly written on it. I saw it with my 2 eyes. Poison. Anything that it is called poison is poison. It is a killer. It's going to kill. There is no remedy for it. The moment you take chemo for the first time, that is the beginning of an end for that person. Do not take chemo. When chemo kills all the cells in the body, everywhere will be dead. There will not be circulation of blood again to the vital organs in the body. And from there, all these important organs in our body will start to reduce, and they will be dead before the patient die. All the organs in that body will be dead. And from there, ẹran tó bá ti bàjẹ́ ńkọ́, they will start to decay. And when they decay, these olórí burúkú doctors will now be telling you, wípé cancer is spread. Cancer doesn't spread. It is the cells that is dead that will make the vital organs in the body to start to decay. Wawa mani cancer spread. And they know that when they give a patient a chemo, only a profit táwọn náà máa gbà lórí oníye commission tán ní. So they want to sell as many as possible chemo to people so that they can die. And they will now say you should be taking chemo every week. You should be taking chemo every 2 weeks. And this so-called deadly chemo, oníye tó ń tà. Ẹ má gba chemo ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, most especially ẹ̀yin obìnrin. Garlic and lemon, it's work like a miracle, it's work like a magic. Just blend garlic and lemon as a smoothie. Drink it in the morning, drink it in the night. It's conk. It's not sweet, but it's very, very good. And it's work. I am telling you, I am a living witness. It works. Then let's stop eating sugar, àwa obìnrin. At this age, at this life we are now, most especially our obìnrin, about from age 30. It is not what we want that we want to eat now. It is what that will be good for our body. It is what that will be healthy for our life. That is what we want to eat. That is what we want to eat. Bitter cola, orogbo, is very, very good. It is very, very good. Bitter leaf, ewuro. I just came back from Nigeria. I brought it from Nigeria. I use ewuro as a smoothie and I drink it every now and then. I am not saying I am not going to die. Definitely, when I get to my bus stop, I will get off. But I am not going to be bedridden. I am not going to be on a sick bed. I am not going to let any doctor use me as an experiment. When that death comes, it will take me on my bed, not me going through doctors and letting them use me as an experiment. People that are close to me, they knows what I've gone through. But this is me, a living testimony of God's miracle. I never use any medication from any doctor. What I take is herbs. Mi ò sọ pé mo wà nínú òyìnbó. What I take is herbs. Orógbó wà nílé mi, ewúro wà, ẹjọ́, lemon, garlic. We women of okra. Soak okra in ordinary water. Islam